12 right now, and yeah. I was just starting off the vlog, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey, what's up, James and Mazda fam? And good afternoon, or should I say, good evening. Sorry about last night's. Okay, I made that video last night, and I said that I would do the vlog this morning, but I didn't get to because I've been actually really busy. Actually, today, I finally got my Mazda Miata, 1993 Mazda Miata mx-5, back from the shop, and now it's got twin turbos in it, and it's amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go out there and check out my car. Let's go out and check it out. Oh yeah, there she is, bro. There she is. There she is. But yeah, guys, up there she is, bro. Let's go ahead and do it. Check her out, bro. Ooh. Check out that exhaust, dude. Brand spanking new exhaust pipe. Okay. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog off here because I don't have that much time, but I wanted to show you my car. Okay, so have a blessed day. Don't do anything illegal. Just go and roll the Jamesy.